Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing something very important, especially for students, researchers and anyone working with data. How to download data from the Statistical Yearbook for China from the official National Bureau of Statistics website. If you are doing research like me, especially in economics, energy, population, GDP, or emission, this skill is extremely important, and the best part, it's completely free. So let's start step by step. First, open your browser and go to this one link. Sorry, we need to go this one link, this one English link, and I will also paste it in the description. You can copy paste from there. This one window is the National Data Portal for the National Bureau of Chinese. There is also an English variant, so this one is English variant. Honestly, the Chinese variant usually more details and updated, but some students are very much conscious about how to translate and blah blah blah. So this one variant is English variant. We just need to follow this. It's also helpful for students or researchers. Before download the data, you need to sign up from there. Sign up and login. After that, you will be able to download the data. So we have this one window. On the left side, click the annual under the browser. This will show you annual statistics tables. Many of these tables come directly from China Statistical Yearbook. If you are already know what you need, for example, there is national account about GDP, blah blah blah. So we have this one window of GDP. We select this one table of gross domestic product. Select year, for example, at least 20 years we have. So you see 2006 to 2025, but the data of gross national income is not available. We also can isolate it through Stata. For download data, now look carefully the top right corner of the table. We just needs to go there. This is my email. So we log in and we have this one data of our selected variables, and that's it. Now, many students get confused. They see one variable like government revenue, but there are so many different indicators like this. Why? Because one big number tells only part of the story. For example, total revenue, tax revenue, individual tax income, tax VAT, national tax revenue. Each one answer is different question. Also sometimes clarification and classifications change over time. For example, around 2007, many revenue categories were adjusted. So they created separate indicators to maintain accuracy of the variables. This is actually good practice. It gives you transparency and detailed analysis. As a researcher, don't get overwhelmed. Think like this. Start with the research question, identify your core variables, search only for that indicator, ignore everything else. It's like going to a big library. You don't read every book, you just find the one you need. Like, I just need this, so I just put this one variable here and download it. That's it. So today's we learned how to download data from China Statistical Yearbook step by step. If you are doing research in economics, sustainability, policy, energy, these skills will help you a lot. If you found this helpful, Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more research related vlogs from PhD journey and something else, mean research thesis of your MS, let me know in the comment. Okay, see you in the next class. Bye bye.